This is a cold start video of the 1967 XKE. Manifolds are cold. Go ahead and start it.